my koutou, ko Ruby ahau. I am Ruby.
And kia ora, Winton School. Ko Casey ahau. I am Casey. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Mini the 1st of April.
Okay, straight into health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast today is moderate from 12 until 4. Doesn't look like a clear sky out there.
And remember, na potae at interval and lunchtime. Kia ora.
And HI VIZ VESTS to and from school. Kia ora.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is kakahu, which is te rero for pyjamas.
As in Kuhuna or kakahu moi. Put on your pyjamas.
Noted assembly, thank you. Kakahu, which is te rero for pyjamas.
And if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
School council news. You have a meeting with Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at 12:50. Thank you.
Touch news. Whakarongo mai koutou.
Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
Winton Whirlwinds. Can you please meet in the junior lunch area, also at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles. You have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts. Please meet Georgia and Briley in the junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Stags, can you please get to field 7 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game? Kia ora.
Southland Athletics competitors, please meet Mr. Wadsworth at playtime for your Winton School sports jackets.
And house captains, can you please meet Mr. Chapman in the group room at interval? Kia ora.
Birthday news. 1 at Winton School today. Nazina Marshall turns the big 8.
And tomorrow, Jacob Stuck is the lucky number 7.
Rafana kia korua. Happy birthday to you too.
And that's it for the week. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite te wiki. See you next week.
Haere Winton School, and a good luck for you Southland Athletics competitors for your events tomorrow.